Hey guys, welcome back to day 19 of mastering AutoCAD Electrical. So till now we have learned how to draw basic figure in your engineering drawing, or let's say AutoCAD. And then after you have drawn something, the another most important thing is you need to measure them. So you need to find their distance or their areas or other stuffs. So measurement is one of the basic principle of engineering. So for measurement in AutoCAD you can use essential measuring commands like say distance or area and list to help you quickly check sizes, lengths and object details in your drawing. So we are going to discuss about three command in this video, that is distance, area and list. So let's jump into distance command. So as you know, distance means distance between it is uh, measure between 2 points. So let's say you have got a simple line in your engineering drawing like this line. So you have got a simple line like this. So you want to know the distance or length of this line. So simply you can do is use the distance command. So for to access distance command, you can simply type di in your command and press enter. Then you have to specify first point. So here you go, I have specified my first point, then I have to specify my second point like this. And here you can see my distance is 34.2640. So if you want to access this distance more clearly, you can simply increase your height of the command panel like this. And here you go, distance is equal to 34.2640. And you have got other parameter also. Yeah, you can see angle in xy line. So for example, let me draw another line. So let us draw slanted line like this. Now I want to measure the distance or the length of this line. So for that, I can simply do is use the distance command by entering di in my keyboard and press enter. I have to specify the first point and then the second point like this. So here you go, my distance is 36.1498. So the line makes an angle of 343 degrees in xy plane, and angle from xy plane is equal to 0. So delta x, that means x2 minus x1, is 34.5039, and delta y2 minus y1 is minus 10.7837, and delta z is equal to 0 because it is a 2D figure. So that was all about distance command. So in a real life scenario, it can be used to check if two components in panel layout are spaced correctly, or if the cable route meets your requirement clearance and like that. So without further delay, let's go to another command, that is area command. So let's say we have got a bunch of figure in your drawing. You usually have bunch of figures in your drawing. So first of all, let's start with rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle here like this. And let's say I've got another circle C and press enter, and I'll draw a circle here like this. And let's draw random figure with polyline. So it's gonna be a random figure. You may have this figure, let's say, okay, this can be a cable trace section like this. Usually this type of uh figure are in polyline section, like say cable trace section. So this can be a cable trace section like this. You have got a bunch of figure in your engineering drawing. So now you have to measure the area of this figure. So what can you do? You can simply use the area command. The area command can be accessed by using a and enter. Here you go, area command. Now you have to say the first point like this, then the second point like this, then the third point like this, and fourth point like this, and you can press enter. Now here you can see area is equal to 140.3086 and perimeter is equal to 48.3480. So this was pretty much easier for a fixed shape object like square, rectangle or pentagon, but for figure like this, so it becomes quite tedious. Let me show you. Simply type a for area command and press enter. Now you have to simply do this and go here and go here, and sometimes it can lead to mistake like this. So you can see it has become a quite tedious. So there is another easier option. So you can simply uh, go to area of command AA and press enter. Then you have to space is you go to the command line. Here you can see object. You can access this object by simply typing O or clicking here. Let's me click here in the object. Now you simply have to select the object like this, and here you go, your area 112.0394 and length. So that length is of, I think, this line. So whatever length line you touched, it will show the length of that line, but the area is of the whole figure. So let me try again with another line in that uh, cable tray area, and I have to go to object, press O for object and enter. Then I have to select the object. So here you go, area and length. Now the area is same. So for circle also you can do that similarly with type just a area command and then select O for object. Then you can select the object. This is your circle, and here you go. Area is equal to 129.3022 and circumference is equal to 40.3095. So it was bit more easier than going through the points. Now this was for area. So area are used for calculating the cross sectional area of bus bar or a duct, or like say a cable tray, or floor space for equipment installation, like that. It's a pretty much useful thing. Now without further ado, let's go to list command. So list command gives you more detailed properties of the selected object. So for list command, you simply type li, and here you go and press enter. Now when you select this object like this and press enter, now you've got all the parameter or say properties of this object. So area, you have got here 129.3022 and circumference. Oh, sorry, that's part of circle here in down. Here you have got area is equal to 140.3086, perimeter is equal to 48.3480. Also, you have got the points of the corners XYZ of all the four corners like this. Similarly, you can do mm, you can use that command with the circle also, li and list command, press enter and go to circle, and when you select the object and when you type enter, here you go, you've got the circle, its center point, its y z axis and radius and circumference and area. All the properties you may need to calculate is right here in your command line. Similarly, let's say do the same thing for the cable tray li list and select the object like this and enter. Here you go, you have got the width, area and length, and you have the uh, each respective points of the cable tray like this. So uh, it is usually used to quickly check the radius of conduit, arc or block name of the symbol without opening the properties palette. So you can also use the measure by from the quick measure here and dimension here. Now I have prepared an assignment to help you master these measuring commands. Download it below. So follow for more videos. Like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.